In the heart of the Elgin Valley in the Western Cape lies a small family winery. It's a simply designed structure combining both modern and classic elements.
The client specifically had two strong ideas. One idea was the concept of the Vlaamse Hoeve, which is quite similar to the Cape Werf, where buildings form spaces rather than being individual buildings. The other aspect is that they wanted a winery where if you came to visit it, it felt as though you're visiting someone's home.
They really wanted a very traditional design for the building, and that was really our challenge, to create a traditional building but really to interpret it in a very contemporary way.
The idea behind the design was also to showcase rather than detract from the setting. As a result, the majority of the buildings are understated and appear quite plain, forming a backdrop. The more modern annex with the tasting area and offices then stands out from the rest of the buildings as an architectural statement.
We also positioned this building where the most beautiful views are, so that when you're in the space you really feel as if you are exposed to the entire view of the valley.
The layout of the living area is a reflection of a residential living space. Very open plan, modern open plan.
It feels as if you're sitting in your living room with the beautiful soft furniture, and I know people come and they really don't want to leave, and I think it's because you feel at home.
The use of materials in the design plays an important role in defining the different spaces.
We, right from the outset, knew that we wanted to use natural stone and something that is of this area, and then moving inside to polished surfaces, the use of steel, and also the way that we've detailed the timber for it to be quite linear, clean, tidy. We wanted something that was very robust, but at the same time have life, depth and texture.
This is a design of buildings and spaces which is intimately linked to their interaction with the landscape, creating a functional yet beautiful environment in which to live and work.
But I think what makes it so dynamic and exciting is that it wasn't all us. It was really input from the owners and then obviously from the people on the farm. So really a collaborative process.